Hey guys. This is the Super Cub Select Scale RTF aircraft, brought to you by Fly Zone, Hobby Zone product. This is a great beginner aircraft. Go ahead and see that it does need to be assembled. I assume that's the back tail section. Contents of the front wing span. What the fuck? I found myself. I was not knowing what I got myself into when I spent the $219 of purchasing this for the local Hastings. It's the back rudder. And everything here is the scale, Select scale for Super Cub. It does come with a controller, so it is ready to fly. You see that it has a clear section, as if you've ever seen a PIPER Super Cub in real life. This is pretty freaking cool. Wow, notice that little wheel right there? You know, I'm running out of space in my work area here, and I'm still pulling out things left and right. Wow. Sturdy landing gear with the patent fat tire, like in real life. Rudder. What I like about this aircraft, you can buy any part off the internet for it. So if you do break it, we got this aircraft to try to put a little FPV rig with the Fat Shark on it. Hopefully it comes together good. I really don't know what this is, but I will find out. I think that is a landing gear. Actually, I don't know. It could be to the...
I'm going to say it's a wing strut.
It's a wing strut. Sorry. I'm new to this. And that's just bubble wrap.
There's something in there.
There's something in there. Couldn't see. Woo! That is a 2.4 gigahertz radio, which comes with 4 AA batteries and a LiPo battery. No charger though. I don't seem to see. Can you dig a little farther in and see if it comes with a charger? Is a charger for your LiPo battery? LiPo battery itself kind of fat, looks like a 3S maybe. Comes with 4 AA's. Cigarette lighter plug outlet thing. And I just threw something on my colleague. Yeah, I do not know what that would be.
Hardware bag.
Hardware bag. And down here looks like a litmus strip. They include to check your pH of your planting soil. Well, it was not a very informative unboxing of the Super Cub, but we'll have more clips of us FPVing it soon. Super Cub complete. Happy flying.